move our way. It doesn't get here, but it does increase our rain chances some. It's also going to have an impact on what's happening out in the tropics. Now, our tropical wave is looking healthier this morning. What do I mean by that? Well, it actually has some showers and some thunderstorms in the vicinity of it this morning. Yesterday, it didn't really have anything going on. Now, it is very large, and what that means is it's going to take some time to come together. And it's probably not going to do anything today or tomorrow, and it may not be until this weekend that we start to see some organization. Now, the reason this looks so funky and lopsided is because there is a tremendous amount of uncertainty on where this center may come together. Now, we're not thinking this is going to be a major storm at this point, but we do think there is a chance of a depression or a weak storm forming somewhere in here by Friday or Saturday. Now, where things get really unsure is by Sunday and Monday. You get this giant spread in our model on where this thing could be, and that's from the the eastern Gulf off the east coast over on the Atlantic side. Now, the steering currents today and tomorrow are straightforward. It's heading towards the islands. Here is just some moisture. This is where it gets tricky. This ridge starts to break down, and that starts to pull some of this moisture, but at the same time, there's still a pretty big area of moisture near Cuba. Some of that trying to move towards the Gulf, this moisture getting pulled to Florida, this moisture getting pulled off the east coast. Which part of that tries to organize? That's the big question right now, and honestly, from the eastern Gulf to off the east coast are all still in play. Models are flip-flopping back and forth, and we expect that because there is no center just yet, and it's not going to really get its act together for a couple more days. So we need to give it time here. Our concern level is still very, very low, but as I always say, we track them until they're gone and they're not a thing anymore. And just so you don't have any surprises, just check back in at least once a day. Twice a day is even better, here in the morning and in the evening, to see what that thing is doing.